Jump ball between jersey number 17 and jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 4. Perimeter J, 2 points. Back point, Mr. Tan. Long pass to Conete. Steno, Conete. 2 points, Conete. Last throw. 1 point. Conete. Pass to Lacoya. 2 points. Lacoya. Running score 8-1. KG. And there's a divider. Silio. 2 points. Don Silio. Lacoya. And the ball by jersey number 2 points. Jersey number 9, 8. Now one rebound by Bagboyan. Jersey number 12 for play. Now good rebound by 13 foul Jamal. 4 seconds. Sigaw Conete. Drives. Bareng. Jopal Conete. Torun Silio. 2 points. Don Silio. 2 points. 2 points. Intercepted by jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 3. Back to jersey number 9. Navarro. Intercepted by jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 2. All alone. 2 points. Long pass. 2 points. Jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 3 for 3. 2 points. Jersey number 3. Hello. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7. 2 points. Jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 3. Fires for 3. Short. Rebound by jersey number 15. 2 points. Jersey number 8. Rebound by jersey. Pass to jersey 3. 2 points. 1 and out. Pass to Lumabek. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 2 points. Black pass. Intercepted by Don Silio. Don Silio. 2 points. Jersey number 3. Pass to 2 points. Jersey. Conete. Back pass to Don Silio. 2 points. Don Silio. Back to jersey number 3. Jersey number 19, Lumabek, 2 points. Lumabek. Bagboyan. Bagboyan, just the first 2 points. Bagboyan. Good. Pass to jersey number 12. To jersey number 2. 2 points. Balais. Long pass to Don Silio. 2 points. 5 seconds. 2 points. Para Conete. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 2 points. 15 foul. Balik. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 2 points. Second free throw. Edward. Jersey number 17. To jersey number 3 for 3. 2 points. Jersey number 3. Number 6. To jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 6. To jersey number 9. Fakes. To jersey number 6. To jersey number 9. 2 points. Number 3. Consiglio 14. Number 15 to jersey number 17. To jersey number 3. To jersey number 6. Jersey number 9. Good for 3 points. Jersey 52. Jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 15. To jersey number 9. Rebound by Lumabeng. Intercepted by jersey number 15. To jersey number 3. Consiglio. Jersey number 6. To jersey number 9. Rebound by Lumabeng. To jersey number 11, Falconete, 2 points. Jersey number 1. To jersey number 6, 1 point. Jersey number 12 to jersey number 9. Jersey number 9 fires for 3. 3 points. Jersey number 9. Jersey number 17 to jersey number 9. Championship 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Pass to Falconete, total 2 points. 5. Drives past Lumabeng, 2 points. Lumabeng. Jersey number 15 drives. Pass to Bacoya. Bacoya to Dan. 2 points.
What's that?
Falconete. 2 points. Second team foul. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. 2 points. Jersey number 12. And 10. Jersey number 6 from downtown. All the way to jersey number 12. 2 points. Seconds to play, last 50 seconds. Last 40 seconds, 2 points.
Yes.
Last 25 seconds.